Hi, it's Steve. In this video, we'll be looking at some of the reasons why your chainsaw might be smoking. If you fired up your chainsaw and it starts smoking, turn it off to prevent any damage. We put together a list to help you get your chainsaw back up and running smoothly. Lack of airflow. One of the most common causes for a chainsaw to overheat or smoke is a clogged or dirty air filter. If the air filter is restricted or dirty, it won't allow enough air to enter the engine and cause the chainsaw to work harder than necessary. Check the air filter and either clean it or replace it. Engine idle speed. If you start your chainsaw up and it's spitting out smoke during idle, it's probably time to adjust the idle speed. Exhaust smoking indicates the chainsaw is idling too fast. Adjusting the idle speed could eliminate the excess smoke. Too much oil. If you're seeing an excessive amount of smoke, you may have added a little too much oil into the oil-gasoline mixture. Ensure that you are using the proper mix ratio for your chainsaw. Chain and guide bar. If you see any smoke emitting from the bar and chain area, shut off your chainsaw and check the guide bar oil reserve. If there is oil in the reservoir, run a test to make sure that the automatic oiler is functioning properly, and if not, you'll need to have your chainsaw serviced. And here's a few quick tips to keep your chainsaw working at its best. Always use fresh fuel and make sure that the oil-fuel mixture is mixed properly for your model of chainsaw. Replace or clean the air filter once a year or after 5 hours of combined usage. Try to select the highest quality oil available for your chainsaw. Make sure that your chain is always sharp so that your saw works more efficiently. Thank you so much for watching this video. We certainly hope that it was helpful to you, and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss a thing.